Good afternoon, or good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Eli at Kingsbridge Autos in Leeds. I've got for you today a really nice BMW X5. It's a 2015 with only just short of 29,000 miles on. One owner, pretty much from new, bought it pre-registered. I think it was about 6-7 months old when he bought it. And it really is a stunning example. The reason for that is A, the colour. It's a really nice white with the contrasting black 20-inch optional split 5-spoke wheels. And then it's also got the M Performance kit. So you've got the carbon fibre rear diffuser, carbon fibre front splitter, carbon fibre rear winglets, carbon fibre wing mirrors, and the M Performance side strip. So it looks really good. So I'll just walk you around the car. It's got a full service history. Well, there's one service in 17, another one that we've just done now. We'll just put a fresh MOT on the car as well. It's had 4 new tyres, so it wants for nothing. It's ready to go. This is the 7-seater model, so you've got the 7-seat option with the 2 seats in the back, which is quite rare and very useful, of course. They drop down when you don't need them. It's also got the panoramic electric roof system, which is really good and an essential option to have. Privacy glass, the monochrome black gloss exterior trim rather than the chrome. So around the windows, you've got the gloss black rather than the chrome, which goes a lot better, is a lot more modern. And then you've also got the optional gloss black roof rails as well, so you can put a roof rack, and again, it just helps it look a bit more modern. You've got mud guards front and back as well. Again, which help it look a bit better and stop the bodywork getting too dirty. It's in lovely condition. Obviously there's a few stone chips here and there, as you'd expect, but overall it's really nice. You've got the Xenon headlamps, just there. And the M Performance gloss black front grills. There you go. And then you can see there the carbon splitter on the front. Parking sensors all round. Also got the reverse camera option. Really nice looking bit of kit. You've got the 20-inch wheels here, mud guards, the M Performance side strips, or side decals I should call them correctly, carbon wing mirrors, and the privacy glass. And you can see here you've got the again the rear mud guards, the carbon winglets, and you've got the carbon diffuser as well. This is a removable tow bar. There's a key and lock there, so you can just take it off and pop it in the boot. Power boot lids, 2-piece tailgates, obviously the bottom and top split. We offer nationwide delivery actually to wherever your home or office is, so we can have the car delivered to you. You don't have to travel to us. So if you want it delivered, it's £1 a mile driven or £2 a mile in an enclosed trailer. And we offer fantastic finance options as well as part exchange, of course. So just give us a call or drop us an email if you want any of those options. I'll walk you through the inside. So if we open the boot, it's got a power tailgate there. 2 rear leather seats with adjustable headrest there up now. There's the load space cover there. 12-volt socket, first aid kit, and then you've got your locking wheel nut, etc. in there. So if I show you those seats from the back, and Performance stainless steel entry plates, got that textured aluminium finish inside, give it a nice modern finish. So these seats are fully adjustable. So if we pull this down here, you can now see the rear seats, which are nice and easy to just drop down. There's a vent there as well where they can adjust the temperature and ventilation, some cup holders. These seats also slide forwards and backwards. There's a lever just under there, so you can move them about to give more or less leg room to the rearmost passengers. So there's plenty of adjustment where required. Got another 12-volt socket and air vents there, and then obviously your storage there. Moving on to the front, obviously you've got all your wing mirror controls, power folding wing mirrors, electronic boot, electric windows of course, electric memory seats, all in black leather, electric panoramic roof which is controlled by the centre there, auto dimming rear view mirror, your M Sport steering wheel, automatic lights, auto wipers, and then of course you've got things like your auto hold assist, parking sensors, hill descent control, different driving settings or mode settings, etc. Go round to the passenger side. This has also got the changeable ambient lighting, so just in there you have got, you can see it underneath, but you've got configurable lighting colours, so you can go orange, blue, green, red, etc. And you can alter the brightness. So that's really nice. And something you see on the newer X5 as well. Professional navigation system with Bluetooth, traffic information, etc. So pretty much everything you could want on the system. Obviously you've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice control, heated seats, your cup holders are there, ashtray and 12-volt socket if you are someone that uses that, although no one really does these days. And then you've got, if we just start the engine with a start button there, got auto stop start, adjustable electric steering column here, and that's configurable with the memory settings as well. And then you've got your navigation, multimedia, got DAB as well, CD, DVD, etc. And radio there, DAB, telephone, nav. Obviously you can configure that to show on the whole screen if you want, rather than the split screen. And then that's pretty much it. Yep. Connected drive, vehicle information settings are all there as well. So yeah, currently on 28,763 miles, or that will go up a bit over the next few weeks while we get bits and pieces sorted. So you've got the lane keep, lane departure warning system, and that's all configurable through the active safety button, which it's got the front end collision warning on, and also has brake intervention, so to avoid you hitting someone in front of you. Pedestrian alerts, so again it'll brake if it detects a pedestrian, and lane departure warning. There we go. I'll show you the engine bay as well. Great looking halo rings there. We can just open this bonnet. Quite difficult to do with one hand, to be fair. Bear with me, ladies and gents. There we go. So you've got that fantastic
3 litre twin turbo engine. It's the 40D, so it delivers 313 horsepower. Goes 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds, yet officially does 40 to 50 miles to the gallon. How good is that? And this is the cheaper rate of tax, only £200 a year to road tax, so it's not very much compared to all the newer cars post April 17, which are nearly £500. So really running costs are very, very reasonable for a car that's quick and it's big and can fit the whole family and pretty much do what you want. You can put your bike rack on the back if you want to take the kids out for a bike ride, if you get one of those towbar mounted cycle carriers. And yeah, it's just a great all-round versatile SUV. So gentlemen, ladies and gents, it's priced at £31,000. If you'd like a finance quote with or without a deposit, either HP, LP or PCP, all the different options that we offer, please give me a call to discuss, or use live chat or email me and we'll go through that. And again, if you'd like the car delivered to you, we can arrange that for you anywhere in the country to your home or office. And if you like any warranty options, again, just give us a call. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.